Hi there, I'm Dylan. My cameraman is James. And we're going to show you how to fold some napkins. So my first one is called taffel spits. It's very simple, quite easy to make, and also quite quick, which is the pros of this sort of napkin. So first, you take a napkin like so, and you fold it in half like this. Make sure it's all aligned to get maximum coverage or maximum efficiency, like so. And then, taking one end, you fold it into a triangle like this. Then flatten it here. Then you take the other end, flatten it like this, making a pyramid shape. And then you just fold it in half one more time. But you don't flatten it like the rest. You just do this so we can gain some shape. And then you plop it up like so. And ta-da! This is how you make a taffel spits. If you, James, can you come this way? Yeah. Because this is how it's made. We need to redo this. Okay, so now let me tell you more about the pros and cons and whatnot about the taffel spits napkin. Now, as you can see here, it's quite a very easy and very fast napkin to make, which makes it great for daily operations. And it's because not only is it good for the reasons I stated before, it's also does show an air of professionalism. So it can be used from, I would say, mid to high restaurants. So like bistros and even more fine dining, though fine dining will not usually employ these sort of things very often. Now, of course, the cons are that despite the professional shapeage, it is rather inelegant. So you are less likely to find it in more or high-end places, like I said. And furthermore, there's also the case that there's chance of inconsistency and also more chance of creases due to the way it looks. Right, so now let's talk about the pros and cons of the taffel spits napkin and also where it can be used. Now, first off, the pros are, as I mentioned earlier, it's very quick and very easy to make. Now, due to the fact it only takes 4 to 5 steps to make a taffel spits napkin, it usually doesn't take so long. So servers can create these and spread them around an operation very quickly and very easily. Now, however, the cons is that depending on the linen you use, there's a chance it's more fragile and therefore more easy to knock over or even crease. Not to mention, while it is nice in its simplicity and does look quite professional in a sense, it doesn't have the elegance to be used in high-end operations, or nor will it look good in banquets. So therefore, usually this is best for daily operations in, let's say, bistros or more, mid-end restaurants. Like an example would be, like a pizza place near my house back in Singapore, where it's not high-end, but not so much street food. And that's the taffel spits.
Hello, I'm James. I'm going to talk about diamond folds. So, the way to do diamond folds is first, spin to the wrong. You can see the lines, and we fold it half. Make sure that all the angles are pointed to the side, and then we fold it to half again to make a perfect square. Hold it. And now, next step is to make multiple triangles. So first of all, we put the first layer up and put it here. Triangle. Hold it. And then the next side, just do the same thing and repeat it and make sure all is precise. And you make multiple perfect triangles like this again and again. Okay, and the last one as well. And you fold it to make it like a diamond shapes. So which is why it's called diamond folds. And then we spin around the whole thing gently, and we start folding the two sides part in the middle like this. One diamond and two diamonds. And now we flip it over, and now it's ready to put on the table and ready to show to the guest. And this is the diamond fold. Talk about diamond folds. It's easy to make. It only took few steps, and it needs to be like precise. So therefore, it takes time to make. For the big restaurants, like I said earlier, it needs to be precisely and gentle, and it looks elegant and professional on the table, and it's perfect to use for banquets, in my opinion. And the diamond folds leaves creases in napkin, so it's a cons for the diamond folds. And also, if you don't fold it correctly, like you see, it's unbalanced on two sides, the shape, so you have to be precisely. And it folds, if you fold incorrectly, it looks messy. Yeah, like this, the triangle, it's not perfect lining up, and it's not perfect. And you can see, like, if you make it different, it will be a big difference. So make sure to fold it precisely. And lastly, it's hard to be consistent for large establishments because you need special patience and handcraft skills to make it like all the same, like similar. So it will be ready to show to the guest with the napkin. Thank you for watching. This is the description of diamond folds.